Today's assembly is brought to you by Class 11D. The topic for today's assembly is International Literacy Day.
Every year, International Literacy Day is celebrated on the 8th of September globally to raise awareness and remind people of the importance of literacy as a matter of dignity and human rights. UNESCO declared this day as an opportunity for governments, civil society, and stakeholders to highlight improvements in world literacy rates and reflect on the world's persisting literacy challenges.
International Literacy Day was proclaimed by UNESCO in 1966 to remind the international community of the importance of literacy for individuals, communities, and societies. It is because of UN's Sustainable Development Agenda, which was adopted by world leaders in September 2015, in which Sustainable Development Goal 4 promotes universal access to quality education and learning opportunities throughout people's lives. It also ensures that all young people achieve literacy and numeracy, and those adults who lack these skills are given the opportunity to acquire them.
One of the reasons to celebrate the International Literacy Day is to encourage awareness towards literacy so that people from around the globe can know their social and individual rights.
Literacy is a driver for sustainable development. It enables greater participation in the labor market, improves child and family health and nutrition, reduces poverty, and expands life opportunities. Globally, at least 750 million youth and adults still cannot read and write, and 250 million children are still failing to acquire basic literacy skills.
The significance is established by UNESCO every year by adopting various themes. It is vital to establish high standards in reading and writing at an early age. It is then that pupils will be well equipped to succeed in their education. Since 1967, constant efforts have been taken in the field of literacy and its evolution, and it is our duty to continue to do so.
We have witnessed throughout history the roles of influential people like Periyar, who at a young age understood the seriousness of child literacy, and he started the well-known self-respect movement. This movement helped people gain knowledge, which helped them to think rationally and led to their emancipation. Malala Yousafzai, at the age of 11, began speaking out for girls' education. After surviving a life-threatening incident in 2012, she co-founded the Malala Fund with her father to campaign every girl's right to 12 years of free, safe, and quality education.
International Literacy Day 2020 will focus on literacy teaching and learning in the COVID-19 crisis and beyond, with a focus on the role of educators. The theme for this year will highlight literacy learning in a lifelong learning perspective and therefore mainly focus on youth and adults. Digital literacy expands the scope of traditional literacy. When digital and traditional literacies come together, not only do students learn how to read and write, but they also learn how to expand their communication, language, and media skills.
Today, our technological advancements in regards of the internet, communication, space, artificial intelligence, etc. proves that literacy is so important, because without it, we wouldn't be at this juncture of development today. As Dr. Seuss once said, the more that you read, the more things you'll know. The more that you learn, the more places you'll go.
Let us pray. Dear God, I pray that our family may always live in peace. May we understand each other. May we have patience and let you know first about every problem we are facing as a family. May God be with us in work and play. Satyam Briyat, Priyam Briyat.